أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما جعلنا أصحاب النار إلا ملائكة وما جعلنا عدتهم إلا فتنة للذين كفروا ليستيقن الذين أوتوا الكتاب ويزداد الذين آمنوا إيمانا ولا يرتاب الذين أوتوا الكتاب والمؤمنون وليقول الذين في قلوبهم مرض والكافرون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا كذلك يضل الله به من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء وما يعلم جنود ربك إلا هو وما هي إلا ذكرى للبشر كلا والقمر والليل إذ أدبر والصبح إذا أسفر إنها لإحدى الكبر نذيرا للبشر لمن شاء منكم أن يتقدم أو يتأخر كل نفس بما كسبت رهينة إلا أصحاب اليمين في جنات يتساءلون عن المجرمين ما سلككم في سقر قالوا لم نك من المصلين ولم نك نطعم المسكين وكنا نخوض مع الخائضين وكنا نكذب بيوم الدين حتى أتانا اليقين فما تنفعهم شفاعة الشافعين فما لهم عن التذكرة معرضين كأنهم حمر مستنفرة فرت من قسورة بل يريد كل امرئ منهم أن يؤتى صحفا منشرة كلا بل لا يخافون الآخرة كلا إنه تذكرة فمن شاء ذكره وما يذكرون إلا أن يشاء الله هو أهل التقوى وأهل المغفرة.
And we have not made the keepers of the fire except angels. And we have not made their number except as a trial for those who disbelieve, that those who were given the scripture will be convinced and those who have believed will increase in faith and those who were given the scripture, and the believers will not doubt and that those in whose hearts is hypocrisy and the disbelievers will say, what does Allah intend by this as an example? Thus does Allah leave astray whom He wills and guides whom He wills. And none knows the soldiers of your Lord except Him. And mention of the fire is not but a reminder to humanity. No. By the moon, and by the night when it departs, and by the morning when it brightens, indeed, the fire is of the greatest afflictions. As a warning to humanity, to whoever wills among you to proceed or stay behind. Every soul, for what it has earned, will be retained, except the companions of the right, who will be, in gardens, questioning each other about the criminals, and asking them, what put you into Sakar? They will say, we were not of those who prayed, nor did we use to feed the poor. But we used to talk vanities with vain talkers, and we used to deny the day of judgment, until there came to us the certainty. Then will no intercession of any intercessors profit them. Then what is the matter with them that they turn away from admonition? As if they were alarmed donkeys fleeing from a lion. Rather, every person among them desires that he would be given scriptures spread about. No. But they do not fear the hereafter. No. Indeed, the Quran is a reminder. Then whoever wills will remember it. And they will not remember except that Allah wills. He is worthy of fear and adequate for granting forgiveness.
شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان.
The month of Ramadan is that in which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for the people and clear proofs of guidance and criterion.